Dear students of grade 7 in computer studies, we are doing chapter number 1, all practicals. Today is 30th April 2020 and the day is Thursday. As we have done relative, absolute and mixed references, then we have found the different operations, how to calculate minimum, maximum, total, all these, understand? Now we will do rest of the topics which I will cover randomly from your books, and I will told you today what yes, how to find out average, how to find out GCD. GCD is greatest common divisor, which is your HCF, highest common factor, and LCM. How to find these? By simple, you will have to open your Excel sheet. Now. Look at this. Now, simply by putting values, here you can see that there are the marks. Here are the marks. Understand? 65, 45, 32, 87. Here are some marks. Understand? So you want to calculate its average. Simply you will write here equal to, then you will write average. Here comes average. You will double click it, then you will click this box and you will drag it down. Okay, now when you enter this, so here comes 59.5 is your average. Understand? Average marks are 59.5. Okay, now what we will do for LCM? We will take, as in your mathematics there are to calculate LCM of 45, 50 and 35, or LCM of 2, 6 and 9, or LCM of whatever the values are. Here I am putting here 3, 6. Okay, now here are the values 5, 7, 9. Here we have 2, here 3, here 5, here 23, here 43, and here 54. Okay, now in this, here we have just two numbers for calculating LCM. Here I am writing LCM, but I am writing over here LCM. We will find here LCM. We will find here again LCM by formula. Here we will find HCF or GCD or HCF by manually, or here we will find GCD, or we can say HCF by formula. So here I will show you how to calculate the LCM. Understand? By manual. Write equal to, then you will write LCM. Okay, now you will start the bracket. Then you will select this box, then you can drag it down, drag it towards next number, or you can simply put comma, press comma, then select this box, then close the bracket, because we have just two numbers for LCM. Then you can close the bracket and then press enter. So here comes 6. Here comes 6. When you select this box and you will drag it down, here comes all the LCMs. Understand? Now, how? That was the manual method. How? You will calculate by formula. You will click here. You will go to the formula bar. Then you will click maths and trig. Maths and trig. Understand? Now select from here. Here is LCM. Select it. Now here write down its number, which is 3. The next number is 6. And the next number is 6. Then you can click on OK. Here comes 6 again. By simply dragging it down, you will get the all LCMs. It has stuck. So now I will tell you how to find GCD or HCF. HCF can also be called GCD. By simply you will write here you will write here equal to, again by manual method, equal to, then you will write GCD. You will write GCD, not HCF, because there is in greatest common divisor is written in your formula bar. It recognize your HCF with the abbreviation of GCD. So always when you want to calculate the HCF, so you will have to write GCD for this. Okay. Now start the bracket. Select this box, then comma, then select this box, and then close your comma, then enter, and here will come your HCF. Understand? Your HCF. Okay. Now simply by dragging it down, you will find the HCF of all. HCF of all. Okay. Now here by formula. How to find out? By formula. Here you will click on formulas. Now here in you will calculate more functions, then statistical, and then it's for HCF, maths and trig, and here will come GCD. Here is GCD. Understand? Now you will write here the first, which is 3, then the second, which is 6, and by simply clicking OK, here will come the HCF of all. If you want to calculate the other, so you will click on formula bar, then here maths and trig, then here GCD, and then you will write here the next, which is 5, the next which is 7, the next which is 9, and when you enter this, here will come 1.